Always typing on the command line might be a bit tedious, especially if you want to create methods or classes. So there is an editor available. You type in /edit to bring up the JShell editor. And from there you can type in anything you want. So I'm going to type in a single command here. And then after that I'm going to hit the accept to accept my change. And if I do a list, there it is. One very important thing to note when using the editor is you have to make sure there aren't any compilation errors that occur when you write some code. So I'm going to write some garbage code, and I'm going to click the accept, and you'll see that there's an incompatible types error. So I'm going to click on exit and then list, and you will see that that change does not show up. So it's very important if you're writing any methods or classes to make sure that everything compiles when you click on the accept, otherwise all your changes will just disappear. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to change my editor to a completely different editor rather than the default editor. I'm going to use Notepad++. Now you have to make sure you put in 2 of those backward slashes for Windows. And now the editor is set to use Notepad++. So when I type edit, it'll quickly launch that editor, and I can make whatever changes I want in there and save it. Now the catch with that is if I type exit and then go back into JShell and type edit, I'm going to see the default editor again. And that's not really what I wanted to do. I wanted to always use Notepad++ as my default editor. So I'm going to say set editor-retain so it remembers that this is the editor I want to use. Now I'm going to go and type edit. Okay, it brings up Notepad++. Let's try exit and go back into JShell and type in edit again. And ta-da! Notepad++. Awesome. So what if I wanted to go back to the original editor? So I'm going to type set editor-default. And I'll go back to that editor again, type in /edit, and there it is. So then I'm going to exit out of here and go back into JShell. And as you may expect, when I type in /edit, it goes back to my previous editor. So I need to make this the default. So I do set editor-default-retain, and then I go back to edit, and there it is, back to my original editor. I could type in exit to verify and go back in. And it worked. If you like this video, please click the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe.